That's amazing. What is it?
Chicken biryani.
Oh.
I made it last night. Here, try some.
Thanks. This is delicious.
Thank you. I love cooking. I have friends who have even asked me to make a food for their parties.
That's great. Have you ever thought about opening your own restaurant?
I have. My family actually owned a restaurant back home. Since we moved here last year, I have been wanting to start my own business. It's just so much work. I don't know what to do.
I suggest that you start by asking your friends and family for their honest feedback about your products. Find out what works and what doesn't.
Good idea. It would help me to understand what people like and help me to improve my recipe.
Actually, I did that before opening my coffee shop last year. It helped me a lot. Researching and networking are really important. If you want, come by my cafe next week and we can go over your business plan.
That would be great. I will do some research and bring my business plan to show you. Maybe this time next year, I can open up a business too.
And when you do, I'll be the first in line to try your food.
Researching is key to the success of starting a small business. Here are some tips to help you with the process. Research your target industry and identify gaps in the market. Don't just follow current trends. Explore new ideas. Grow your network, both inside and outside your ethnic community. Step outside of your comfort zone and meet people who are different from you. Identify your target customers and their unmet needs. Conduct surveys with new contacts and potential customers. Find the unique selling point of your product or service. Review your research and identify what makes your product special.
Hi, Ria.
Hey, Tina! Welcome to Ria's Cafe and Bakery. So, what do you think?
Wow, this location is great and the name is perfect, simple and easy to remember.
Thanks. So, first piece of advice, when you register your business, check to make sure that no other business has the same name as yours.
That's a good idea.
Why don't we just grab a seat and have a chat? How's your business plan coming along? It's very important to have a good business plan. It's like a roadmap guiding your decisions and goals.
I did some research on the current market and competitors. Here is my business overview, a basic financial plan, and some details of what I will sell.
This is great. Don't forget, you need to include a good marketing plan in here as well.
That's a good idea. I will add that in. Once I am done, I will take it with my business advisor to talk about financing.
This is so exciting. I can't wait to hear how it goes. It's getting late. Let's grab something to eat. This time, it's my treat.
After you've researched your business, developed a business plan, and explored financing options, here are some registration processes required to start a business in Alberta. Choose a legal structure that suits your business needs. Different structures will impact your taxation and legal liability. Register your business at an authorized provincial registry. Apply for any permits and licenses your business may need. These will be at the municipal, provincial, and federal levels. If your business meets requirements, obtain a business number from Canada Revenue Agency for tax reporting. It may be helpful to seek professional legal or financial advice. Starting a business in Alberta is an investment in a bright tomorrow.